How to use Chebe hair grease for growth. If you've got curly or coily hair, then you already know the struggle. Keeping it moisturized, strong, and growing feels like a full-time job. That's exactly why I created Chebe Super Grow hair grease. I wanted something that wasn't just another product on the shelf, but something rooted in tradition, something that actually helps retain length, reduce breakage, and keep our strands moisturized for real. So what is Chebe? Chebe is a traditional herbal blend that comes from Chad, West Africa. For Chebe Neshas generations, women in Chad have used Chebe powder as part of their hair care routine, and they're known for having incredibly long, thick, healthy hair. Chebe powder is made from natural ingredients like lavender, croton, malab seeds, clove, and resin, all ground into a herbal powder. When mixed with oils or butters, it coats the hair and helps it stay strong, hydrated, and protected from breakage. And while I loved the idea of it, I'll be real, Chebe powder can be messy, not the easiest to work into a modern or lazy girl natural hair routine. So we have blended it with rich, nourishing ingredients like shea butter, mango butter, hemp seed oil, and black castor oil to deeply moisturize and strengthen the hair. Chebe Super Hair Grow Grease is also infused with botanical herbs like hibiscus, amla, moringa, and neem, all known for supporting scalp health and hair growth. And for that extra scalp stimulation, we added oils like rosemary, peppermint, and sunflower oil to help improve blood circulation and promote stronger roots. Why Chebe grease works for hair growth. First, it seals in moisture. If your hair dries out fast, especially in protective styles, this grease helps lock in moisture so your strands stay soft and moisturized for days. Secondly, it's loaded with powerful herbs and oils that do it all. Sealing in moisture, thickening edges, supporting healthy follicles, adding shine, softening strands, and even boosting scalp circulation, all without weighing your curls down. Fourth, it aids in length retention. It helps strengthen your strands by reinforcing the hair shaft, making your hair more resistant to breakage, shedding, and split ends. And when your hair stays moisturized and breaks less, that's when you start seeing real length being retained. How to use Chebe Super Grow hair grease in your routine. Step 1. Start with clean, damp hair. Whether it's after wash day or a midweek refresh, make sure your hair is slightly damp. I usually spray water and apply Chebe leave-in conditioner. All links to products are in the description below. Step 2. Section your hair. This makes it way easier to work through your hair without missing spots. I like to do 4 to 6 sections. Section yours depending on how thick your hair is. Step 3. Apply Chebe grease to each section. Scoop a small amount and warm it up between your palms. A little goes a long way. Do not forget the ends because that's the oldest and most fragile part of your hair. You can even apply a bit to your scalp if it feels dry. How often should you use it? For me, 2 to 3 times a week works perfectly. But if your hair is in a protective style or if it's extra dry, you might use it more often. Listen to your hair. It'll tell you what it needs. Pro tip for sealing in moisture: always apply your grease after your water-based leave-in or moisturizer. That way you're sealing in all that hydration instead of letting it evaporate. To further keep your strands protected, go ahead and braid or twist your ends. It helps reduce friction, holds the moisture in longer, and keeps your ends from drying out. And that's it, love. That's how to use Chebe Super Grow hair grease to seal in moisture, strengthen hair strands, and retain hair length. You can grab your jar at darabodyworks.com. I'll drop the link in the description below. If you learned something from this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications because I've got more natural hair gems coming your way. Take care of your hair, and I'll see you in the next video.